Namaste. Today we will do remaining questions from exercise 9.1. Third question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter. If this is the slide, the height will be 1.5. The top is here. Let us name it as A, B and C. And is inclined at an angle of 30 to the ground. That is here. The slide is inclined at the ground at an angle of 30. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. Here the slide is steep type and here the height is 3 meter. Let us name it as P, Q and R. And inclined at an angle of 60 to the ground. Here to the ground it is inclined at 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? That is, we have to find the length of the slide. This is the slide. So this length, in both cases we want to find out the hypotenuse. Now we are using the trigonometric ratios. That is, here we have an angle and opposite side. We want to find the hypotenuse. So what is the relation between an angle, opposite side and hypotenuse? We know it is sine. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So sine C, that is sine 30. C we know 30. So sine 30 is opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 1.5 by AC. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. Which is equal to 1.5 by AC. Let us cross multiply this. This AC goes to this numerator and this 2 goes to this numerator. 1.5 into 2, that is AC is 3 meter. So the length of AC is 3 meter here. Similarly, the same method in this slide also. We have to find PQ, but here we have an angle and opposite side. We have to find the hypotenuse. So again sine 60 here. The angle is 60. So sine 60. PQ by PR. We know sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and PQ is 3 by PR. Now to find PR, let us take this PR to the side. PR goes to numerator. 3 is already here. And this root 3 goes to denominator and this 2 to numerator. 3 2s are 6. So numerator becomes 6 by root 3. Now we have to rationalize it because we have an irrational number in the denominator. To rationalize this, we will multiply with another root 3 in the numerator and denominator. So denominator becomes 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 6 root 3 here and 3 2s are 6. So final answer is 2 root 3. So we got this slide length is 2 root 3 meter. Fourth question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That is, we have a tower, let it be AB, and angle of elevation of top of the tower. That means to the ground it is elevated and 30 degree is here. Also given 30 meter above from the foot of the tower. This elevation point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is the tower and this is the foot of the tower. So here it is 30 meter. We have to find out the height of the tower. That is opposite side. Here according to this angle, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Which is including the opposite and adjacent. It is the tan. So let us take tan 30. It is opposite by adjacent. So here it is AB by adjacent is BC and AB we don't know by BC is 30 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3 which is equal to AB by 30. Take this 30 to numerator, that is 30 by root 3 is equal to AB. Now again we have to rationalize it, that is multiply with another root 3 in numerator and denominator. This becomes 30 root 3 by 3. 3 tens are 30. Final answer, that is AB is 10 root 3 meter. The height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Next question, that is fifth one. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. This is the ground and it is 60 meter above. Here the distance is 60 meter. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is a kite and a string is attached to the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60. That is, here the angle formed is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. That is, this is a straight line, assume it like that, and find the length of it. So let this be A, B and C. You have to find out the hypotenuse. We have an angle here. This is the opposite side and we have to find the hypotenuse. That is sine 60. Sine includes opposite and hypotenuse. So sine 60 is equal to, opposite is 60 again, by AC. AC we don't know. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 by AC. Let us take this AC to the side. It becomes root 3 AC is equal to 60 into 2. This 2 to RHS. Now we have to find AC. Let us take this root 3 to denominator, that is cross multiplying. AC equal to 60 into 2 by root 3. 62 is 120 by root 3. Now rationalize it with another root 3 on both numerator and denominator. It becomes 120 root 3 by 3 and it is 40 root 3. We got the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter.